No, I would paint it.
Alright, so let's hope that nothing jumps out at us. Oh.
Stinkola.
Yeah. Whew.
Oh, this is okay. This is a prefab.
It's a what?
This is a Wausau home.
What does that mean?
It's a prefabricated home. It just gets wonky if you get into these walls because of the way they're made. It's panelized construction, so nothing is really standard.
Oh,
so
great.
you have this mahogany that's sandwiched over the top of the framing.
Okay.
The other problem with it is it makes it really dark.
Yeah, I was definitely thinking paint like a light gray all over the place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I went through, I actually flipped one of these and found out.
I saw this broken window. Holy smokes.
Dirty, stinky, all kinds of shit left over in the closet.
Oh,
Look at the amount of dust on that.
yeah, like holy crap, man.
Okay.
Well, at least there's not any like big holes in the
Yeah, no.
walls.
Yeah, no. It doesn't look like there's. It just looks like a lot of cleanup and a lot of. It looks like a lot of freaking cleanup.
Yeah.
What's
Sure
the door
does.
for?
I don't know. This is like that right there, like an electrical panel.
No, there's a door that's wrapped right there. It's a bifold.
Where is it?
In the wrapper. Look at it.
Oh,
Master.
oh.
Is that for that opening?
Yeah, I wonder if he broke the
Well, something
thing
we
and
gotta put in.
yeah. Oh yeah, I definitely think like a light gray over this. Oh my God.
Mm-hmm. I'd probably just yank that whole stool. That's freaking gross.
Yes. I actually have a new one picked out.
Okay. Fantastic.
So that is seriously
That
disgusting.
is so how do people live like this? Yeah, hopefully.
Oh God.
It's like shit.
That's what it is.
Oh my God. Well, I'll say this. It doesn't look like the subfloor is softer on the stool, which is good. You don't have to screw with that.